Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous class we talked about present continuous tense. Baagi kumunga which har aga kar chaga pa mawjuda time karawan wi da ghe da bayanawle da para we use present continuous tense. Remember, we can also use present continuous for future actions. There are three time da para hum istemal ho. Like for example, I am going to Peshawar tomorrow. Now, us present continuous tense dekho there are three time da para istemal ho. I am going for Hajj next year. Next year chali da future de. For present continuous da ghe da para istemal ho lisha. So here, next we have present perfect tense. The main thing that we better know about present perfect cha har aga kar cha aga past ki ushi ko da present se taluq hui. Like a simple example, suppose that I am rotai ukhra. Aho ima khodali da. It means aga bagenta mak ke khodali vid bagente mak ke be khodali vid, but still he is full. Aga da zarurat nishta. Tahira chata jam da kamra safa ka hui, I have already cleaned it. Maybe sahari safa kadi vi, maybe genta do mak ke safa kadi vi, maybe puruni safa kadi vi. It means the room is still cleaned. The room usam safa de. Kare mak ke kadi vi. Oh, the present se ताल्लुक़दार है the room तो दोबारा द सफा को ज़रूरत नहीं है, it is cleaned. सही है? No, but this is situation कि या मुंगवा युमा already दा कार करे दे या मैं उस दा फलाने कार करे दे. सही था? No, just या already, yet, so far, for long, etc. That is माल फास्ट चीज़ दा मुंग रागे दा पार इस्तेमाल होगा. For example, तास वैसा माता parts of speech मुंग ता teach का जो है I have already taught you. I have already taught you. Suppose, lunch ke I have already taken. I have already taken. Sahi na? Sir, flani ta sar milawe dal goli. I have already met him. Already da sar milaw shave. No, but that's the situation ki we use present perfect tense. Clearly, the concept is clear. The affirmative the para structure if the subject is plural. The two helping verbs the has and have. If the subject is plural or I, you, we, they or plural noun, they are followed by have as a helping verb. Helping verb say have parati. If the subject is singular, he, she, it or a singular noun, they are followed by has as a helping verb. Helping verb or sara has rati. The tool is a third form of verb istemali, and third form of verb is also called past participle. Sahi na? Past participle or tahumunga. Third form tamusa past participle. And then object if any and rest of the sentence na murad da alfaz वगैरह दिया adverb rashi या place rashi etc. आगमगो लगावली सही है. For example, I have lost my keys. उसमा तासु तो विचे द दे कार बशेवी पर past की भी खुदा present सर्वे तालुक भी सही है. No, I have lost my keys. पता टाइम की मैंने दी राना रखी शेवी मैं विचार था कि परुन राना रखी शेवी सहर राना रखी शेवी keys राना रखी शेवी. Oh, the present se ताल्लुक दार I don't have it now. Yeah, I don't have them now. The योने ज़्याद keys दी I don't have them now. उस रास्ते रे निश्चित नो. Present से ताल्लुक पैदाश हो कुना. सही ना? Yeah, ज़वेमा I have forgotten them. मुझे भूल गए हैं. It means I don't remember it. Present की ज़म्मा पयात की नहीं दी I have forgotten it. माँ here कड़ी दी. बोलेगी? No, कार को past की शेवी भी वो the present से बदागी यो ताल्लुक भी या present के बदागी यो result भी. Clear? Yes. We have completed parts of speech. Munga parts of speech kadi. Na ka munga pa past ki kadi. Present se taluk dare chila we move forward. Munga mak ki kam topics diya gabo. Sahi na? Similarly, it has rained a lot so far. Abhi tak काफी बारिश हुई है. Like for example, बारान वरी की वरजना गोवना बारान वरी के मुंगे लगा दोसा कोरेटे बारान शेविद. वही no, the बारान आकाशर उसम मौजूद थी चिड़ेर बारान शेविद. She has cleaned her room. Our example is that she room chiliya safa kare de. And I have already. The already lafz pade kade istemali ki. Sahi na? Kale si munga aksar wahi da kara already ma kare de. No, place da de da bade helping verb na pas munga legu. Halanki da verb na de. Ha verb zamu sara third form da ayo de. Ho the already lafz chili da zyad tar munga da helping verb na baat chili da besema. I have already done it. I have already taken lunch. I have already met him. Sahi na? I've already discussed this topic. I've already written my homework. अरे का homework कुली कैसा? I have already written my homework. मैं already लिख लिया. Clear? The negative of the para we introduce not after has and have. The has and have न बस not introduce को दादा दूसरा negative जोड़शी. And the rest of the sentence आप बिल्कुल बाकी आप sentence ते आप follow की. I have not seen Ali. Sir Ali से शो I have not seen him. या I haven't seen Ali. मैंने उनको नहीं देखा है. माना दिली दिली. सही है? We have not discussed passive voice yet. The yet लफ्ज़ पर negative के ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल की अभी तक. Yet means अभी तक. और ज़्यादातर पर end के बोलेगी. The sentence पर end के बोलेगी. सही ना? Like for example ताज़ वैसे ना passive voice संग इस्तेमाल की जो है I haven't discussed it yet. अभी तक मैंने वो discuss नहीं की. सही ना? No दाज़ से ज़्यादा भी ताज़ फलाने मुलीदरे I haven't seen him yet. I haven't seen him yet. मैंने अभी तक उनको नहीं देखा है. होएगी? फलाने बुक में रीड करे I haven't read it yet. मैंने अभी तक वो नहीं पढ़ी. होएगी? No, पढ़े तरह का माने yet लफ्ज़ से ज़्यादा ज़्यादातर पढ़े की पर end के रहा दिखा. Ali has not written it yet. Ali ने अभी तक sir should I erase it? ना erase कमा? No, Ali hasn't written it yet. Ali लाने दिली करे. सही ना? तो पढ़े वजह yet लफ्ज़ पर negative के ज़्यादातर उनका इस्तेमाल पर end of sentence. हाँ? The yes no question जोड़ा हुआ है पारा we bring has and have to the start of the sentence, subject, then third form object, rest of the sentence and question mark. For example, like कारों लिखले दे have you written your homework? नूज़ा लिखल बता सो मैं बीच बेगा कड़ी हुई करुण बम कड़ी हुई फज़ूस तपोस को लिखले में दे मतलब present के वजूद चेक को मा गोरम बचता सो homework करे दे कने दे करे मतलब present से रज़ा पे ताल्लुक पैदा करे. Have you written your homework? Yeah. Has तलहा recorded it? तासी से रिकॉर्ड करे दे कने दे. ठीक है जवाब पसंद और को yes comma then subject and according to the subject को subject singular the has the subject plural the have similarly को पनो सारा जवाब और को no plus comma subject hasn't or haven't सही ना like for example has Talha recorded this lecture yes he has no he hasn't सही ना have you written your homework yes we have no we haven't clear
Yes, sir.
write it sure. Next we have WH questions ये पदे present perfect tense के बाद WH questions संग जोड़ो. So first we have WH words followed by has and have and then the subject. According to the subject मुंबा has या have इस्तेमाल हो. Third form rest of the sentence and question mark. For example, what have you cooked today? तासु स्कोर तलाश है करना मोर तो ऐरन दिसे पकड़ी. What have you cooked today? Now the then आगे तरफ तक कम जा sentence part did that change away and you have a new structure. What have you studied? What have you brought? What have you bought? What have you written? What have you read? What have you found? क्या मिला है आपको? Etc. Then where has Ali studied BS? आगा BS चढ़ता कड़े थे. सही ना? Where has he gone? वो कहाँ गया है? चढ़ता तले दे. सही ना? Where has he bought it? अफलानी चीज़ आगा चढ़ता क्या वास्ते? Where has he bought it? When have you come? आप कब आए हो? इसका मतलब ना रहता है उस टाइम मख के रावलिए. उधर तो उसम मौजूद है. When have you come? आप कब आए हो? सही ना? When have you done your BS? When have you completed language course? When have you learned language? Suppose. No, the sentence से बस सिर्फ the verb change करे और साथ साथ नए question चले आ जुड़ी. Clearly? Then WH word के तासु तमाम भी जिसम सरे बल structure दा जोड़ी की चिपा what और which सर मु जोड़ो object पाए के मुंगा options रहा सरे which यो choice कवल भी चिकम यो सिस्ता study करे या कम यो सिस study किए etc. No object दलते क्यों लगो then has and have then subject then third form. Like for example which subject have you studied? कौन सी subject या कौन सा subject आपने पढ़ा है? सही ना? What gift has Talha bought for us? तलहा ने हमारे लिए कौन सी गिफ्ट खरीदी है? ठीक है? No, जरूर से ये ऑप्शन है. या which subject have you studied? What language have you learned so far? अभी तक आपने कौन सी ज़ुबान सीखी है? कोई? No, बड़ी तरह का माने जरूर से रहता ऑप्शन दी. कम यो चीज़ स्टडी करे, कम यो खुराक ते करे suppose, कम यो डिश ते पक करे etc. कोई? What dish have you cooked? कम यो डिश ते पक करे. What book have you bought? कम यो बुक ते चीज़ें ना आगाज़ रे. What book have you read or studied? कम यो बुक ते स्टडी करे दे, etc. नो कम यो लफ्ज़ के मुझे पुख्तों के इस्तेमाल की दागे दपार हम गदा स्ट्रक्चर इस्तेमाल. ठीक है? Then जब सरा इंट्रा नेगेटिव या नेगेटिव इंट्रागेटिव वाले स्ट्रक्चर दे नो पाए कि यो तरह का तास्त माविल उदारा चे मुंगा haven't या hasn't helping verb plus not चे कम दे दा contraction short form पर start क्यों लगो? Then subject, third form object and question mark at the end. For example, haven't you written it yet? वेदा तासु ने दिली करे. तरोसा बोले ने दिली करे. No, हम बाकी question दे हम बाकी नरा. Hasn't it rained last night? क्या रात को बारिश नहीं हुई है? बेगा बारा नहीं देशे. No, हम बाकी question दे हम बाकी नेगेटिव दे और यदि माता सुई फुल फॉर्म तास इस्तेमाल वे ने पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब लेगी या सब्जेक्ट या नॉट लेगी लाइक हैव यू नॉट रिटन इट येट नो कोशिश करवे कि कम दा स्ट्रक्चर दे दा स्पोकन लैंग्वेज के इस्तेमाल वे और दा वाले से कम दे दा रिटन के इस्तेमाल वे क्लियर दी सो यू मे राइट